La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mini bolt, dancing through the sky, helping all his animal friends as the rainbows fly. Deep inside the rainbow forest, something isn't right. Bun's rainbow flowers fade, losing all their light. Oh no, Bun starts to cry, rainbow colors fading by. Minnie Bolt can feel the pain, can he bring the light again? Follow, follow, rainbow light, through the forest shining bright. Jumping fast from tree to tree, Minnie Bolt shouts joyfully. Oh, Minnie Bolt shouts joyfully. La 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 la. La 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 la. Shouts joyfully. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sparkling butterflies appear, magic glowing far and near. Tiny footsteps start to glow, to the crystal cave they go. Deep inside the crystal cave shines the light so strong and brave.
The rainbow forest is coming back to life. Everything is so beautiful.